Hello guys, we're real estate agents from
Neckerworld Corporation.
And for today's video, part 2 ng ating answering the most
Commonly asked questions ng ating mga clients.
Yan. So, bubunot ulit tayo.
So for our question of the day, bakit maganda kumuha ng pre-selling condo?
Ayan, so kagandahan guys kapag pre-selling, una is unit choices. So kapag sinabi natin pre-selling guys, madami pa tayong pagpipili ang size ng unit, anong gusto ninyong view, at kung anong floor level ninyo gusto. So yun.
So, for me naman is the payment plan. Siyempre, pag pre-selling, hindi tayo required magbigay ng big amounts like millions. We are just paying monthly and annual lump sum. So, technically, na-maximize natin yung construction year of the property sa pamagitan ng ating payment plan.
So next naman is value appreciation. Kasi syempre, ang maganda sa pre-selling, makakakuha tayo during on its launching price. So starting price, pag nakakuha tayo ng unit natin or condo, over the year, annually tumataas yung presyo ng property natin. So that's a good thing para sa ating mga investors or clients.
And the best thing here, Neckerworld Corporation offering Uptown Modern, the newest and the last residential condo here in Uptown BGC. The good thing here, 6 years to pay, no down payment, and zero interest.
So, sana nasagot natin yung questions nyo. If you want part 3, just comment.
Party!